2018 Chevy Camaro SS, 6.2 liter beast. Got 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back into a factory X pipe. He might take off next, we'll see. Then we put some Dynomax race bullets there and there. Then 3-inch pipe out the back on each side there and right there. And then some quads, 4-inch black tips to complete the look, staggered. There'll be a link in the description for them if we can find it. Just came out really nice, really beautiful, as you guys can see. Just a beautiful system. We appreciate the boys for what they do. And there's the giant muffler that was on it that we took off right there and replaced it. So, and like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, 2015 Chevy Camaro SS. This one is a special one. There's only 642 of these made in this color scheme and setup. It's called the Green Flash. Look it up, guys, online. The color changes in the sun and at night, and then it's got a Z28 front bumper, different clip in the back. We'll show you guys in a second. So what we done on it is a Borla Extreme kit that he ordered. So we'll show you. Factory converters there and there. It's only got 10,000 miles on it for a 2015. That's crazy. Anyways, here's the Corsa Extreme catback. So it's got a X pipe and it's all 3-inch all the way back, as you guys can see on each side. And we always just, if nothing else, always clamp the 2 mufflers because that's the weakest point on the exhaust when you do a bolt-on kit. So we always try to just tack that so they don't come off. We tighten them pretty good and everything. But see, it even comes with custom covers in the back, custom rear spoiler, custom rear bumper, and valence or diffuser right there. So it's a really nice car, special. It's called Green Flash. You guys can see from the color it changes in the sun. I don't know if the camera catches it. But anyways, this is the original system that was on it. They had a muffler delete and regular, there's the resonators and everything else. We cut it all off and put the Borla Corsa Extreme. We put the Corsa Extreme. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Only 20% of you guys subscribe that are watching. So we would really appreciate if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Again, Dynomax race bullets. Wow. 119, bro. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. Again. Wow. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead. That's not bad. What's the up against that? There we go. Your sound decibels, guys. Again. Again. It hit 113 earlier. That sounds nice. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds so clean. And you guys can see the color change. Look. That's the Green Flash. It's a really nice color. Let you guys hear on the inside. Beast mode. I didn't expect them to do all that, but okay. And it comes with these special stripes, special hood, special front bumper. Look at the color, guys. It's like an emerald green. See, it's like different tones depending how the sun hits it. And it's got custom 21-inch wheels that come on it factory. Those are factory 21-inch wheels for the Green Flash. Corsa Extreme. Here's the idle on it.